He's really nice. Oscar! Good boy. His paws right. This is a documentary about why cats are so popular on the web. I thought it was meant to be like day one, the first day I ever got a cat. Can I be the narrator? He likes to play on the computer, and he also plays PlayStation with me sometimes, and he writes poems. I got a cat. I was very excited. I always wanted to have a cat. I was very excited and nervous and excited and scared. I don't know why I was scared. I know I was excited because I was getting a cat. When I first got my cat, Oscar, he was very nervous. He was hiding. You can see him there. That's Oscar, my baby. Come on, Oscar, come on, get it. But he quickly got used to us, and he likes to sleep under the bed in the baby's room, which is the room upstairs. That's what cats do. They sleep in the morning, come out at night. So, and he plays with his toys like his ribbon, etc. Because we're not allowed to let him out yet, he just explores the house, but when we let him outside to come inside and spend more time with us, he does sometimes meow to get outside. But next week we'll let him out for the first time, and my mum and dad or me will stay in the garden with him. It was fun. It makes me watch less television. That it sits on your lap and you can stroke it. Oscar, say hello to John. This is the last video I'm going to do, and it's called My Cat Speaks When He Is Awoken.